All right, choir. So we have already looked at how do we practice the song? What should the song sound like as we're using our practice track? Now we want to take a look at how do you record this song using bandlab, because bandlab can get kind of confusing. Let's show you exactly where we are at in bandlab for recording this song. So I have my bandlab assignment already pulled up here. We have our 3 tracks here, high voice, low voice, and this one is the backing track. Now the backing track is what you want to record against. Okay, so I mute these other 2 tracks and I unmute my backing track because that's what I want to sing with. I started out right here at the very beginning. And then I make sure up here in the top, I can still read all the music and I know my solfege. I'm ready to go with all of that. I've practiced it enough where I can go. And so now I press record. It's going to give me 4 beats before the start of whatever measure we are in. It's going to give me 4 beats. And then I'm going to go ahead and start singing right here in measure 5. Okay, so here's 4 beats, then 4 measures of rest, then measure 5. 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. And I messed that up. Okay, you need to make sure before you start recording that you have clicked on this. If you do end up recording something else like I just did, you press Control Z on the keyboard. Let me show you that on the keyboard. So you want Control, this Control button, plus Z. That will undo something if you do it. Okay, so you press Control Z all at once, and that will undo any recordings you have done in your bandlab. You can go right here, undo and redo. So right here is also undo and redo. Okay, so let's take a look at now recording measures 1 through 8. It's going to give me 4 beats of rest before I begin, and then I start right here. All right, so here we go. 4 beats before we begin. Then it starts here at measure 1. Then I come in at measure 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the first measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second measure. 2, 3, 4. Third measure. 2, 3, 4. Fourth measure. Get ready. 2. Breathe on 4. Mi, re, mi, do. Mi, re, mi, do. That's measures 1 through 8. I want to double check it. I press play. Make sure that my measures 5 through 8 are good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second measure. 2. Mi, re, mi, do. Mi. Okay. I assume you listened to all of it. And now we are going to start on measure 9 where we record. So you click right here on measure 9, click on this one, 9 through the end, and I'm going to sing all the way from measure 9 through to the end of the song. Okay, I press record. It gives me 4 beats before measure 9, and then I come in. Make sure you breathe on, which beat? 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Mi, re, mi, fa. Mi, re, mi, mi, la. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Then I press stop. I play this back, make sure that it's all correct. Then I do the entire song. I start on measure 1. Make sure I click on this one for the entire song. Before you press record, mute your previously recorded tracks because they are going to distract you from what you should be singing here for the entire song. Here we go, the entire song. 1, 2, 3, 4. First measure of rest. 2, 3, 4. Second measure. 2, 3, 4. Third measure. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready. Mi, re, mi, do. Mi, re, mi, do. Mi, re, mi, fa. Mi, re, mi, la. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I would play back the entire song, make sure that it sounds good. Once I'm done, then I go right here to my Google Classroom and I submit the assignment in Google Classroom. Okay, I save it and I submit it in Google Classroom. I don't press publish or submit the assignment here in the assignment because that prevents me, if I do happen to hear anything or see anything that's wrong before Mr. McNeil grades it, then I can't make those edits once I have submitted it. So don't submit it after you're done. Go to Google Classroom and click that you are done there, and then I will go and grade it from there. Okay. All right. So today, with this lecture, we have looked at how do you record this song into BandLab. This was specifically for the choir. I hope this helps you guys. I hope you guys are having a good day. You're doing well, getting lots of learning done. And remember, be better than you were yesterday.